Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to fix this air dam. I'm not sure it's manufacturer default. This one happened probably like a third time. I think the second time fell out completely. So there's a screw right here is hanging. To fasten out this rubber piece or air dam, and then there are two clips on each side, and two more rubber clips over here, and then there's another one on the other side right here. See? So some of these two fasteners are gone. I'm not sure why they keep on falling off. It's a cheap fastener. So I have my bag of all the fasteners that I purchased from eBay. I'm gonna see which one fit. Again. Because there are many different sizes and stuff like that, so the hole is pretty big. Maybe that's why I keep on falling off. I might as well upgrade and put this bigger one. But I might have to use this too. Wow, still loose. Huh. Let me go get the correct size. We'll be back. And the reason this one is making a clicking noise, because this vent, it got stuck. See how this side is open fine, and this one is making the clicking noise because this rubber piece is like not pushing it down. Now it's open and closed fine. Earlier it's kind of like a got that rubber piece right there. That rubber piece is obstructing the fan from opening and close. See how this side is more spacing? Oh, right here. It's where it's making all this noise. Touch the top of the plastic right here. See how this side has more gap on the top? And noise is right here. So I push this side in already, and then this side's gonna push in. Yeah, make sure it's all the way in. And then that side is in. Then there's another clip here. This is kind of bad design. Check on this side. This one is fine. 2 fasteners over there. Alright, I'm going to insert a zip tie from the bottom to the top hole so you can hold it. Since the original fastener and my aftermarket fastener is not working, I'm going to try this method, so hopefully it's going to last. So I insert from the bottom to the hole and then to the fender liner hole right here to hold it. Now I'm going to put the clip back on. There you go, just like that. And I'm gonna clip this extra plastic off. I think it's gonna hold better than the original one. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.